So this is my next project. I'm starting today. It's just a little about 1,400 square foot house that we're demoing. The front of the house, it's weird because it's like one bedroom and a living room, and then a kitchen and a bathroom, and then right at the gable they split the house, and it's the exact same thing on the back side of the house. So it's like this is the old half of the house, that's the new half of the house, but it's the exact same almost. So anyway, got to take this down, and it's got at least one septic tank I know that has to be filled in. I think those concrete pads right there were for air conditioning units, but we got to get that tree cut up, and not the whole tree, but just the down part of the tree. We're gonna get that cut up, and I'll take that out to my property, and I ain't putting that in no dumpsters. That ain't going to the landfill. We're gonna burn that. And then that storage shed there's got to go, and I think the septic tank is right there where the what you call it is. But yep, that's pretty much it. So somebody had the door open. Hopefully nobody's in here, because if they're in here, they won't be happy. Anyway, that's what we gotta do, so we will get started. This floor here, I'm pretty sure it's wood on a or not wood, but tile on wood floor, so I don't think it'll be all that bad. But so yep, nice little lean to the gable right there. But anywho, that's what we're gonna be doing today. And I got the 308 out here, so usually with the smaller house demos like this, I mean, especially when you are renting the equipment, no point in getting super huge machines. It's just gonna cost you a lot of money. This machine, like I said, will do everything I need it to do on this job and then some. So the only thing I'd hate about these machines, I don't particularly care for these little bitty lines on this Graptor, nor do I care for these long dangling lines like this, but they tend to get snagged on stuff, and next thing you know, you got a hydraulic leak. But you do what you got to do, I guess. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and we'll see what happens.